Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. It was gonna be a vlog, but it ended up just being me installing my wheel spacers. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you don't know that about maybe 2 months ago we installed bags on my car. We, meaning my boyfriend and his friends. I was gonna film that, but it'll be a story for another video all about what went down in that whole experience. But other than that, let's get into the video, and then at the end I'll show you guys my air out height and my ride height. Alright, so I ended up going with the H&R wheel spacers. I ended up buying the wrong ones at first. I bought the ones that you had to take your stems out to replace them with these. But the company actually got these back in stock, so I was able to grab these instead. So what I'm doing is I'm running 20s in the front and 20s in the rear. These are freaking huge.
That's what she said?
We're gonna start off by jacking the car up and go from there. One thing, I don't understand why Lexus wheels are so fucking heavy. They're so obnoxiously heavy for no reason. Is what she looks like aired out. Oof. That is it for today's video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.